Is that too high? Alice, a tall guy.
Sorry.
So now you were just listening. Okay, let's do that. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd that feel?
Felt pretty good.
That sounded pretty good. Rehearse. We're finally to a degree that we can rehearse. Because you see a confidence with Caroline, and you see an internal pulse that's really spot on. Have you practiced with the subdividing that on this? Yeah. And do you do that when you practice your flute and piccolo and all those other things?
Yeah.
Good. What was the least great moment? Walker was being very creative at the beginning. I'm almost tempted to take your score. I don't know that you really need it.
Oh, jeez.
Don't do that?
Take it away.
Don't do that to me.
Do it. Don't do it.
Tell you what, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna compromise with you.
Okay.
I don't think you need the score as much as you can.
Okay.
Can you still see it?
Yeah.
Now I want you to give them more attention.
Okay.
Okay? So you alright?
Yeah, I was stirring his hair on.
Yeah, I heard it. Thought you shot me. Where do you want to start? Let's rehearse. Do you like the phrasing? Do you like the nuance? Do you like the balance and blend between melody, harmony, counter melody, bass line?
Not necessarily.
Great, so let's fix it. Where do you want to start?
Right at 23, just to get into it.
23. Okay, tell them one or two things to change in the playing. Since we've stopped. Notebook? When you're in run-through mode, which is at the outer edges of a cycle, at the beginning of a cycle, and at the end of a cycle. When you're in run-through mode, you conduct and listen and respond in a different way than you do when you're in rehearsal mode, which is everything in the middle. Okay? And now we're in rehearsal mode. So here's something I want you to write down. When you're in rehearsal mode and you stop, tell them why. Okay, let's start at letter A. Doesn't it drive you crazy when a conductor says, okay, letter A again, and they never tell you why? It's like, okay, so first of all, let's just be honest. The music is going to get better just by happenstance because we're human beings and we can learn just from ourselves. I think it's a waste of time, and to be honest, it's a lack of respect. Letter A, let's do this was good, let's do this and this and this. Okay, now everybody's focused on what it is that we're trying to accomplish. Now, does that make sense, everybody? Okay, so tell us what we're doing. You said 24?
23.
23, okay. What are a couple things we're working on?
Let's have parts 2 and 3 listen more all together for our articulation and for entrances. Are we doing that again?
What did we say? What did you say? Okay, I didn't, yeah.
Okay.
I love this class. It's so much fun. Okay, let's play. Here we
All
go.
right. When we get to 4 before 25, melody, bring that out a little bit more. I know it's marked pianissimo, but the rest of the ensemble is out playing you.
Good, and I'm glad because that was one of the places that I was going to have you rehearse. So make sure now, notebook. Good. Make sure that when you say these particular things, that now you're conducting reflects those particular items. Because what you're doing then, at that moment in time, is training your ensemble to follow your conducting. So that in the near future, you can speak with fewer words and speak with more gestures and have it be very effective. Okay? Enough. Now, if you want the music to be light, will we have more travel or more rebound?
23 or 24?
23. Okay, good. And you're doing that. I don't even think you need the score. I really don't. But I didn't want to take it away from you. Now, next time, let's take it to another level. Let's perform and inspire them to want to dig deeper and play their very, very best. Okay? But that is really good. Nice job. Thank you. Wesley. After Wesley, we have Rachel. Yeah, you don't need to be about the baton case. Unless you need to bring something up to throw at people. It could be dangerous, yeah.
Explain more.